Retirement often turns out to be more expensive than many people expect. Not because retirees suddenly start spending more, but because retirement changes where the money goes. If you're not prepared for these shifts, they can slowly put pressure on your budget, drain your savings, and make retirement far more stressful than it needs to be. In today's Financial Future video, we're breaking down 8 retirement expenses most people don't plan for, why they catch so many retirees off guard, and what you should know before they become a serious problem. Because retirement doesn't eliminate expenses, it transforms them. 1. Healthcare costs beyond Medicare. One of the biggest financial changes in retirement is healthcare. Many people look forward to Medicare, assuming it will cover everything and dramatically reduce their medical costs. While Medicare is helpful, it does not eliminate healthcare expenses. Prescription drugs, dental work, vision care, hearing aids, deductibles, and copayments often become regular costs. The real challenge is that these expenses usually arrive gradually. A new medication here, a dental procedure there, higher premiums next year. On their own, they may not seem overwhelming, but combined, healthcare often becomes one of the largest ongoing retirement expenses. 2. Home repairs and maintenance. Paying off your mortgage is a major milestone, but it doesn't mean housing costs disappear. As homes age, big systems eventually fail. Roofs need replacing, heating and cooling systems break down, water heaters and appliances stop working, usually without warning. These aren't monthly expenses you can easily plan for. One unexpected repair can cost thousands of dollars and disrupt even a carefully planned retirement budget. That's why many retirees discover that housing remains expensive long after the mortgage is gone. 3. Property taxes and insurance. Owning your home outright doesn't mean it's free to live in. Property taxes and homeowners insurance continue year after year, and in many places, they keep increasing. For retirees living on fixed income, rising taxes and insurance premiums can be frustrating. Over a 20 or 30-year retirement, these background expenses can quietly take a serious toll on your finances. 4. Helping family financially. This expense almost never shows up in retirement calculators, but it shows up in real life all the time. Many retirees end up helping adult children, grandchildren, or other family members. It might be help during a job loss, assistance with education, childcare, housing, or unexpected emergencies. Most people don't plan for this because it's impossible to predict, and many retirees want to help. The problem is that these costs can become part of retirement spending without ever being part of the original plan. Even small amounts can add up to thousands over time. 5. Long-term care. Long-term care is one of the most expensive retirement risks, and one of the least planned for. Most people budget for doctor visits and prescriptions, but not for help with daily activities like bathing, dressing, eating, or moving safely. The hardest part? Long-term care often shows up years after retirement, when the budget already feels settled. If it becomes necessary, it can completely change the financial picture. 6. Transportation costs. Transportation usually becomes cheaper in retirement, but it never goes away. Cars still need insurance, maintenance, registration, repairs, and eventually replacement. Many retirees forget that even if you drive less, vehicles don't last forever. A major repair or replacing a car during retirement can be a significant expense if it wasn't planned for. 7. Inflation. Inflation doesn't arrive as one big bill, it slowly makes everything more expensive. Groceries, utilities, healthcare, insurance, home repairs, and everyday essentials all increase over time. At first, it may not feel dramatic, but over a retirement lasting 20 or 30 years, even small price increases can seriously reduce your buying power. That's why retirement planning isn't just about today's costs, it's about what things may cost in the future. 8. Living longer than expected. Living longer is a blessing, but financially, it means your money must last longer too. Many people plan carefully for the day they retire, but not for how long retirement might last. If retirement stretches 25 or 30 years, every expense on this list has more time to grow. Healthcare rises. Inflation compounds. Home costs continue. Family needs don't disappear. One of the biggest retirement risks isn't overspending, it's underestimating how long your plan needs to work. Final thoughts. Retirement shouldn't be something to fear, but it should be something you prepare for. Some expenses go away, but others take their place. And the more aware you are of these changes, the easier it is to protect your savings and your peace of mind. Because retirement doesn't eliminate expenses, it changes them. Speech balloon. Which of these expenses do you think surprises retirees the most? Let us know in the comments below.